Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is a hard candy Christmas collab hosted by Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker and Lynda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas. They also go by Susan and Bestie, and if you're not familiar with them, you're definitely going to want to watch this collab so that you can get up to speed. When Susan mentioned this collab, I thought I am absolutely in because she gets so detailed and intricate with her holiday crafting. It is just amazing, especially Halloween, which I skip pretty much just due to time. But if you're a Halloween crafter and you don't know Susan Tootsie Tucker, you got to get on board. You're missing out. For this collab, it's candy. That's our theme. We're going to come to you for 3 Saturdays in November and bring you some candy themed projects. They won't necessarily be cards. I just chose cards for this week. I only made 2 cards, but I mixed up some things and definitely had some fun doing it. Foiling doesn't show very well on video lots of times. So in both of these cards, I have red mirror cardstock, and then I also have silver foil mixed in here. So you may or may not be able to tell, like on my candy, they're red foil and white cardstock. And then here I have silver around the edge. I dug into my stash and found a Life is Sweet stamp. I was looking for something that would go with the candy, but not Christmassy, just to try something different. Then I have some enamel dots and I popped this one up, just kind of threw them down to see how it would look. This one's okay. I don't love it. This one, I love it. It had layers of dry time, not a quick card, but I really like how it turned out. On camera, the mirror cardstock can blind you, and also my lighting picks up every scuff. So I promise you, in person, it is not a bad card. I have stamped out candies and put glossy accents on the white and then used a glitter marker on the red. I have some where I put glossy accents on the whole thing, but it bled, the color did a little, and I just didn't love them. So I might use them, I might not, but I liked these. And then I have a Merry Christmas and some snowflakes from the same sticker collection, so the foils match there. And I just really liked it. It was fun to dig through my stash and find papers with candy and then play up the candy theme. I have some ideas for next week already, and I've been pulling out paper and getting into my Christmas stash. Be sure to check out all the collaborators. I bet you're going to find all sorts of inspiration for your holiday crafts. And stick with us because we'll be back the next 2 Saturdays. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.